got some Amazon Basics shelf we're gonna put together here. All right, we're unboxing the Amazon Basics shelf. So here's all the parts it came with. Got an owner's manual, some kind of probably brace to attach to the wall maybe. Just guess. Maybe an extra piece. Got feet. No wheels with this one, just feet. And then there's our pieces to hold the shelves in place. Okay, let's start putting this together. Got our shelves out. We need to start building the upright part. Came with a million of these. Cat toys, I guess. That must be the top. That must be the bottom. Let's put some feet on. You find the ones with the threaded holes and you thread them in. Guess what? There should be 4 of them. You got top ones. Okay, good. It fits. It's not too tall. Let's get started. There we go. So you just thread them together like that. Now you got a big bow staff. Okay, we got our 4 poles. You got these 2 pieces. Tells you which way is top. It says top. Top. These are going to wrap around your pole and fit together like that. So you need to start with your bottom shelf, because we're going to slide the shelf from the top down. Start with the top shelf, you can't slide it to below it. Alright, so I'm going to pick a height a little ways off the floor, because it floods. Not too close, and just make sure it fits in one of those grooves. Now the hard part is, you need to match that on all of them. So they're all the same. So count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're above the 8th ring. So let me just repeat that with all 4 poles. Now is probably the toughest part. Sliding on the first shelf. If you're doing it by yourself, it's not so easy. So I'm starting by just laying it on the ground and sliding the bottom poles in. Then I'm going to slide the top poles in. Hidden ceiling. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Doesn't work so good if you got a low ceiling. Okay. That's the hardest part right there. Starting to look like a shelf. After that, just repeat. Rip open another bag, check the height, count your rings, put them the same all around. Any taller, this one to fit in the basement. Okay, here's the last shelf. Amazon basic shelf. Did it all by myself. 0 tools required. Took maybe 20-30 minutes max. Alright, I just built the second one. This one went a little faster. One secret I learned here was don't put the poles together to make a long pole. If you keep them stubby, then you can stick them through and tilt it upwards without hitting the ceiling. And after that, it's all the same.